Okay folks, so we're just gonna shuffle a few things that gives us a chance to clean our shelves and clean a few things, transform our decor from spring and summer down to heading towards fall, and we're gonna make it fun right here on my take on home and garden. Okay, so you know we have quite a bit to handle, and whether you have a lot or a little, over the years everybody ends up with quite a bit. Some of the colors and things that have to go away for the new holiday. Baby blue, pink, okay? Some of the white, which is more spring and summer. Again, pink and blue. Cobalt blue. Pink depression glass gets put away and cleaned. Some of the clear farmhouse blue, the creamy pink, the French blue and white. So anything spring-like, we're gonna swap out, or early summer. Okay, so the plates you just saw were on this plate shelf, and this is what we're replacing them to. Now here's an example of some of the things that we're going to bring in and replace. Again, we're just shifting from cabinets to shelves to decorate for the season. Autumn looking cast iron, reds and gold tones, very little blue in this set. The Oriental Nippon set. Also, we're cleaning our shelves, but I want to show yellow is still okay. Why? Because it's in the autumn scheme of things. Now here's more of an autumn chocolate pot. Greens, darker green, muted greens, and soft oranges and yellow again. Once again, these plates have replaced blue, anything pink, with more of an autumn feel. Fruit still works, certainly, in the fall. We're going to go over and see the opposite side. We're in a formal balance scenario. And we've got the same idea over there. Okay folks, now I'd like to show you one more summer arrangement, but we're going to be just tipping into end of summer and leading into fall. Let's see what we can do to make that transition. So we need our usual base and fill. We're going to go with some lemon yellow roses. It is our coming into end of summer arrangement. We're going to balance that out with some, actually they're not super white, they're kind of a off cream white. Okay, so we're balanced all around. Our plumeria is still blooming, so we're gonna go with one of them, maybe two. It's a big vase. Okay, so now to change over, to start getting the idea of end of summer, we want to go with things that are changing themselves, like in nature. Like these roses have a cheek, a rusty cheek. So we're gonna add some of them. We got it filled in pretty good, but we want to come up taller. Here's might be some things that we might want to use. Here's more of a fall-like color rose. And peaches are ready. And our lavender is taking on a darker rusty tone. And then here's something I want to show you bad. In spring and early summer, there's a lot of white like this in nature, and this is of course going to be an accent piece for our bouquet. Not this bouquet, because we're late summer. We're trying to get that idea. So we're going to go to the next color. Even that very same one can change into this over time. Alrighty, so we've got another feathery piece. On the peach rose, then we got to bust it up with a little different, like this incredible rusty colored rose. We're going to come in here with some, they look like giant zinnias to me. And I think we're going to finish with this fern that is clearly changing. You can see it's not green anymore. And this season, more roses, and just for the kicker that we know it's coming into summer, our arrangement has tomatoes. Another feathery piece. Let's go with this yellow one more time. Okay. Now I'm going to take the camera and show you all around. Maybe a lemon branch just one more time. Alrighty folks, and here's our end of summer floral centerpiece. You see, we still have bright colors, but there is a whisper of what's coming. In the arrangement. Today, the arrangement is accompanied by the cutest, one of the cutest things I've ever come across. This piece, anybody know? Or anybody remember? Then you'd really be telling on yourself. This is a pancake dish. So when Mom makes all them delicious pancakes, she makes a stack and puts them in here. It just lets the steam out to keep them nice, so everybody can eat together. It's a dandy. This is the first one I've ever seen when we got it. Anyway, collector crazy. Let's review our changes. So here's our collections. Again, we've removed blue and pink. And keep in mind, while you're enjoying this, hopefully, all of this has to go away to put Christmas out. If you thought this was any kind of work, this was nothing. This was a walk in the park. So we love it. It's fun. Just to show this balance again. We've left a couple things, but most of it's been changed and moved around. Somewhat eclectic, but things that go and work for the new season. Okay folks, so if you liked our video today, share and like and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for subscribing. We hope we helped you today with a little bit of thought on decor. Stay with us. We're heading to fall right here on My Take on Home and Garden. You can follow us on Instagram, and we appreciate all our subscribers. Take it easy, folks. Be good, be safe, and we'll see you in the next video.